Hey there, this is Andy from Skilz4UMedia, and this is video number 3 of my Power Director tutorial series. So hopefully you've learned something new out of videos number 1 and 2, and you're going to enjoy this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Right, hello everybody and welcome back to Skilz4UMedia's Power Director tutorial series, and this is video number 3 where I'm going to show you how to color your videos to make it black and white and also fix some of those color issues that you might have within videos. So first of all, open up your Power Director program and click on the import media screen. Select a video in MP4 that you would like to try and color. So what I'm going to do is actually just bring up the Skilz4U introduction video, and I'm going to put that on the timeline. So how do I do that? I left click on the video and then drag it down to the timeline. So this is the video in its original format. What I've done there is I've actually just shut off the volume because all I'm interested in is the actual video and colouring. So, how do we go about colouring this video in black and white? First of all, I'm going to go down to the video and I'm going to right click. Then we have on the menu, Edit Video Image. From here, I'm going to select Fix and Enhance. From there, up in our left hand corner, we have our color director and fix and enhance. So up top here, we've got lighting adjustments. So when we click on that, we can change the backlight. So if I go to that, if we move it to the left, it makes it darker. To the right, it makes it lighter. So how do we actually change it into a black and white video? I move down to enhance. We've got color adjustments, so I select that, which brings up a whole set of other options. So to get rid of the color, what I'm going to do is go down to where it says saturation, holding left button down, I'm going to drag that all the way to the left. So already in the preview screen here, we can see that it's colored black and white. So when I play, you can see that the video is now in black and white. So what you could also do as well is change all these different settings of your video. So maybe you want enhanced exposure, maybe you want to make the video darker, maybe you want the contrast higher or lower, just like you would if you are actually editing a picture. So if we just click on the play button, see how that looks, you can see already that has a dark look about it. Again, you could also, instead of actually making it black and white, you could also make it more vibrant by moving the saturation all the way towards the right. Again, it saturates the video. Already you can see it's brought out saturation of a lot of the colours. Along with colour enhancement, so I've gone to colour adjustment, we've got colour enhancement. Again, you can enhance the colours by moving to the right and also moving towards the left. Within the color presets, by clicking on that, there is also already some presets already loaded into Power Director. So maybe you want your video looking like a 70s flick by clicking on that filter. But again, as I said before in the previous videos, the more powerful your computer, the more smoother your computer will be running with this program. But all these presets are very simple to use. To come out of that screen, all you have to do is click on the cross button up there, which will return to your video. Since I didn't apply the filters, it still remains in its format. So again, if we want to black and white it, I click on the video, select Edit Video Image, and then go to Fix and Enhance, move down where it says Color Adjustment, go to Saturation and move saturation all the way to the left and apply all. Once I've done that, click on the cross and your clip down the bottom here on the timeline has been coloured black and white. Brilliant stuff. So that's the end of video number 3. Very simple and easy way to do black and white videos within Power Director. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you on the next video.